Okay, let's be honest here. There is no way you can make money without investing something, at the very least your time. In the case of online marketing, for example, you will need a device and an internet connection to be able to start doing anything online, and that's investment. So again, there is nothing like making money without any investment to start. However, if you have already invested for a device and an internet connection, you have a chance. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. And we are starting right now. Now the truth is, you can easily make money online like a ghostwriter or a freelancer on Fiverr. Those are actually the most common ways some people use to get started without spending a dime. But let's be honest, this is really no better than having a job. I know that personally because I have done some gigs on Fiverr myself. I mean, with Fiverr, for example, you can work from home, but the moment you stop working, you stop making money. In other words, you can never stop working. You can never truly relax. This is hardly living the internet lifestyle that you've probably heard about. Maybe you're someone who doesn't mind to do that one little bit. But becoming a content creator and earning passive traffic, in my opinion, is a much better alternative. Being a content creator will enable you to earn money 24/7. You can literally be making money while sleeping. Hi there, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I will be sharing with you what creating your own content really entails and how to use the content you create to make at least $100 a day from scratch. Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making money online as a beginner, you might want to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, what creating your own content really entails is at least one of these three things. You can either create your own videos and host it on YouTube, create your own product, or create a blog article. You can choose to do any one of these three. You can also choose to do two together or all three at once. You see, being a content creator can have you living life in your own terms, but it still has its downsides, and one of the big drawbacks is the amount of work required. And I think that's one of the main things that is setting many people from following through to make money with zero investment or from scratch. You may be unwilling to put in the effort, plus the fact that it will take several months for the money to start flowing in. But if you try and get over that stage and start creating your own content, then things will only get much more easier as you grow, which is really very possible to make $100 a day or more passively if you try. Having said that, it will take more than a few lucky sales and AdSense clicks to hit that $100 a day mark consistently. It will take a proven method. In this case, we'll be using the affiliate marketing model. As an affiliate marketer, your job is to lead people to a solution, which might be a product. And if the people you lead to that product decide to buy the product, you make commissions. And that's how you start making $100 a day. But how do you go about leading people to the product? For a start, you will need to decide on a niche to target. Then you want to start looking for the problems people in that niche are facing so that you can create your content around those problems to attract people who are facing those problems. Now, an easy way to find the problems people in a chosen niche are facing is by just taking a look at the benefits of the products offered in that niche. A good place to start doing your research is on affiliate networks where product owners list their products in different niches and categories. On ClickBank, for example, products listed on the platform are divided into different niche categories and subcategories. Now, before you start deciding on the niche you want to target, I would like to recommend that you start with the 4 most profitable niches. You have the money-making niche, the health niche, the weight loss or beauty niche, and the relationship niche. These niche categories are always profitable because people will always be looking for more money. There will unfortunately always be people who are sick, people looking for relationship or trying to mend broken relationships, and so on. After deciding on your main niche, you want to choose also your sub-niche category. So for example, in this case, the main niche is the health and fitness niche, and the sub-niche category is diet and weight loss. Now, ClickBank will display a list of products under the diet and weight loss sub-niche category. Here you have to understand that the owners of these products listed here have done that research and they know what people in the diet and weight loss niche are actually looking for, which I will assume is what they are providing as a solution in their products. So the cool thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to do all the research yourself. All you have to do is start clicking through some of this product sales page and looking for the benefits offered on the sales page so as to get a good picture of what people in that niche are actually suffering for, so you know what to provide for them when you're creating your content. So if a product sales page happens to be just a video, you want to watch through the video, take notes of some of the problems, benefits, and solutions the product is offering. In this case, for example, the owner also provides a transcript of the video. Here you want to read through the transcript and pay special attention to what the product is offering. In this example, for example, I will jot down these offers because within them, you will find the problems people in this niche are facing and are looking for answers. Just by looking at this, I can easily see a problem where people are looking for ways to burn away unwanted fat while they sleep without even having to set foot in a gym. Can you imagine that? Some are looking for a way to turn back the clock on their skin so they have the same clear and vibrant skin as they had as teenagers. Others are looking for solutions for their pre-diabetic condition, and the list goes on. So these are just some examples of topics you can use to create your own content around them. Now, after gathering some of the problems people in your chosen niche are facing, it's time to start creating content around those problems, again with the hope of leading people interested to a solution. But first, you have to decide on which type of content you would like to create or which type of content you are able to create, because creating content also needs money to get started, depending on which type of content you want to create. So if you decide to create text content like a blog post or a website, you will need to have some basic amount to start with. You will need money to pay for your domain name and the hosting account of your blog or website. However, if you decide to create content that can be hosted on a social media site, which in most cases are free, then you'll be able to start making money without any initial investment. So if you still want to go through the route of making money from scratch, you might want to choose a social media site to host your content. Now, when it comes to social media, not all are designed to make it easy for affiliate marketers. But YouTube is an incredible opportunity, given the fact that the guys on YouTube give you plenty of ways to send people off of YouTube to your affiliate offers or sales pages. For people starting out on YouTube, there is no steep technical learning curve. You don't have to set up a website, buy a domain, or master some complicated marketing concept. A simple decent webcam and a cheap microphone is often enough to get you started on YouTube if you are using a desktop device. Most smartphones, on the other hand, can create a good decent video that you can use to get started on YouTube as well. What makes YouTube even stand out more is that it gives you access to existing traffic through their search, social, and its own platform. On YouTube, getting video views is easier than getting website traffic, since you have access to YouTube's massive built-in audience. With a simple optimized YouTube video, you can easily show up on Google and YouTube search engines, the two top search engines in the world. All these things combined make YouTube a great platform for anyone starting out without an audience. So how do you go about now making $100 a day with the videos you create? Well, there are two ways to get to $100 a day with your videos. You can make money through video advertisement displayed on your videos or through selling affiliate products. But before you qualify for ads to be displayed on your videos, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, which leave beginners starting out with just one option to either sell their own products through YouTube or become affiliate marketers to start making $100 a day on YouTube. For affiliates on YouTube, all you have to do is add your affiliate links within your video using YouTube video cards or in your video description below, so interested viewers will click on and make their purchase. Now, if you are new to YouTube or affiliate marketing, you might want to check out my step-by-step video crash course, which will show you where to get video content and how to promote the videos for more views. With all that, I hope this was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.